It's been a real pleasure participating in this international course on the virtual autopsy this week. As you all appreciate, the virtual autopsy is an extremely important element of pathology to assist both the living and in the memory of the deceased as well. And it's been a real pleasure working here to find out all the secrets behind this excellent session and to meet some wonderful people who are work very hard in this field. Thank you.
Well, it's a great pleasure and honor to be invited as a lecturer of the virtual autopsy training course. I do hope that my experience, knowledge and teaching abilities were enough for the participants to take benefits from this. Thank you very much.
It gives me an immense pleasure that we have completed our training program very successfully. I thank all the participants for their energy, time and enthusiasm, and I hope they have gained a lot of knowledge out of it. And I thank the Academy of Forensic Medical Sciences for being a part of this training program. Thank you so much.
The virtual autopsy course in UK is one of the finest courses, totally designed as per the needs, I would say. We have the international faculty members who give not only theoretical concepts but hands-on practical knowledge to each and every participant, and that too 1:1. So I'm very thankful to the Virtual Autopsy Solutions as well as the Academy of Forensic Medical Sciences UK, who have designed this course in a very beautiful manner. Thank you.
It's the first internationally course that I taken so far. So for me, it's been for sure an unforgettable experience. So for that, thank you very much.
Hi guys, I come from Hong Kong. It's my pleasure to be here learning everything that is necessary for post-mortem imaging. My heartfelt gratitude to all the instructors, and the lectures were wonderful. The visits were inspiring, and if you are looking forward to develop a post-mortem imaging service in your hometown, this is your choice. Thank you.
It was a huge honor to be here with this great team from Virtual Autopsy, and it was also an important step for my career. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Pragnesh from India. I am extremely thankful to Academy of Forensic Medical Sciences and Virtual Autopsy Center UK for organizing such a wonderful workshop of 5 days on virtual autopsy. In this workshop, we had wonderful interaction with international speakers, as well as we visited the centers where the actual virtual autopsy is going on. And it was one of the best experience I ever had in my life. I am extremely thankful to the course coordinator Dr. Hemant as well as Mr. Ash, who is providing such a wonderful gadgets by which we can perform virtual autopsy at our center. So thank you to everyone once again.
I am very grateful that I could participate at this lecture. The virtual autopsy is an important acknowledgement and the important development for the forensic science practice. And I will be more than happy to be able to bring it in my country.